husband is literally the sweetest. What's up, beautiful people? Just coming out here to put the chickens up for the night and feed them. And Joe built a roost for them finally, so we're gonna check that out too. Oh, Joe, look at that! They're actually on it! Well, the big girls are anyway. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not, but there they are. Sort of. What are you doing? So my little girls are over here in the corner trying to escape the coop from the corner instead of from the door that's open literally right here. So, oh, there's Becky. I got the flash on. That's one of my big girls, and Becky and Lucille are my big girls. That's one of the new girls in the middle there. I put her up there. She was not up there on her own. I don't know if the little girls just didn't know what was going on, but I tried to get them to roost and they were like not having it. So maybe they're just too young to know what's happening still. They're probably like, I don't know, like 2 months old by now, I think. Maybe. Oh well. Hello, pretty girl. God, they are so pretty. Ooh, hi, Becky. Okay, so here's a shot of it in the day. We ended up taking their heat lamp out because they're old enough they don't need it anymore. And here's the roost that Joe built. So, oh, the girls all really like the top rung and none of them like the bottom rung. But it's okay. Beautiful people. It's actually like a few days later.
No, I want to take pictures.
We're not taking pictures.
I want to take pictures.
Mommy's taking a video. Can you say hi?
I don't want to say hi.
Okay.
I want to say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So, I thought I had enough chicken content to make a whole video. Well, I put it all together and it was like...
Hi.
It was like 2 minutes total. So that was not enough to make a whole video out of it. So yeah.
Hi, Mommy.
Guess we'll just see. Oh, Bubba, you got bit up so bad. Man. He is just like his father when it comes to bug bites. He gets him nice and big. What do you have in your hair? Hi, baby girl.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Yeah, you already said hi, Bubba. We're trying to say hi to baby sister now.
We're saying hi to Mommy now. Hi, baby sister.
Hi, baby sister. You got a boogie.
I got
All right, there we go. Mommy got it. And no crying. Yay.
Yay.
Hey, baby girl.
Hi,
You
baby
really
girl.
like looking at your Bubba, don't you?
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, baby sister.
So, welcome to my crazy life. I really thought I was going to get sat on just there. Look at this little crow. What is it even doing? Like, what? So crazy. Look at my big girl. Holding her head up. Just being all cute and such.
I'm cute.
Yeah, you're cute too.
I'm a big
Hi, baby
boy.
girl.
I'm a big
Hi.
boy.
You are a big boy, Bubba.
I want to run.
I guess you can run, that's fine.
I'm running.
Yeah, you're running like a crazy man. Does your brother concern you, little girl? Hmm? What are you thinking in that big old noggin of yours? Hmm? Oh, look at the variegation in these leaves. Not this one. This one's my croton. I don't know what this is. Philodendron something or
I want
other.
to pet Sammy.
But look at the leaves. They're just like so pretty.
I want to pet
And then
Sammy.
here's my croton with a
I
dead
want to
leaf
pet
on it.
Sammy.
You can pet Sammy, bud.
I pet her. I pet her.
These are fake flowers
Nice
stuck in
and
my
easy.
croton.
Nice and easy.
That's right, Bubba. Nice and easy. But like, I can't
Nice and
get over some of the leaves on this plant.
Ah!
Like
This one.
this one.
This is red here. This is red.
And here's my other croton. This is the one that I bought myself. The other one I showed you I got when I had baby girl.
There's that flower.
That's my spider plant.
That's your spider plant.
Yep, that's my spider plant. Y'all, thanks for hanging out with me
I'm
over a
winning.
2-day time
I'm
span.
winning.
Sorry it's been so long since I uploaded. I thought I had enough footage when I started editing today, and I guess I didn't. So, see y'all next time.